Everybody, this is DJ the Money Coach. We're celebrating our second year anniversary on April 20th, and we're going to give away $50,000 worth of grants, scholarships, and POM POM Lifestyle trips. That's right. One lucky person will win the grand prize trip and go back to Zanzibar with me absolutely free. And in the process, we're going to help you become consumer debt free, build 800 credit scores, pay off your home in 5 to 7 years, and most importantly, show you how to build businesses, buy real estate, and generate passive income of $8,333 a month. And all you have to do is hit that link and say, "Happy anniversary, DJ the Money Coach. Take me to Zanzibar absolutely free." I'll see you in the master class.
What's happening, everybody? It's DJ the Money Coach coming to you live. That's right, baby. At Kinder Rocks Beach and Zanzibar. Living that POM POM lifestyle. See money, peace of mind. Come join us on the beaches of the World Club. Because you know what? I am my ancestor. And you are too. You deserve this. Get with me, baby. Tell them that beautiful shit out there. All right, so you know what you got to do. The 4 dirty little words. Number 1, discipline. Number 2, accountability. Number 3, plug into the 7 spheres of money system. And number 4, put your head down, go to work. In 3 to 6 years, you can be completely consumer debt free. Pay off your house in 5 to 7 years and have a 6-figure income by business, real estate, leveraging the tax laws. But first things first, you got to hit that link, come to the masterclass, and get freedom right now today. Peace.